Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amapenzo TV. It's an international friendly. Bafana 1, Panama 1. I'm joined by the Maginator.
Hey, Stivo.
Okay, not money.
I'm not happy to draw.
Yes.
I'm not happy to draw. But what can we do? We accept it to move on to the next game.
Yes.
We
move on to the second leg.
Yeah. The problem here, ne? Kurre Foster.
Yeah, it's a big problem. Yeah, no, I'm not.
No, Steve, Foster is not clinical. Clinic, man.
Yes. Warlema.
Number two.
Yeah.
Hugo Bruce must stop forcing Foster on us.
Yeah.
Askaba. Arminyak Foster on Torfanyona. Foster no chiga go pele kwa ktsibudirang.
Yeah.
We need a striker. He needs to bring Urenas on board.
Yes.
Needs to pay him Lumahopa.
Yes.
Needs to consider other options.
Yes.
Foster is not an option. Warkawata Foster.
Warkawat.
And then goalkeeper Warren is good. Problem, if you hit it hard and low.
Yeah.
Wametaka grass cut.
Yeah.
Good goal. Exactly.
Yeah.
And I know Snow White.
Yeah.
Unali beef lemang li sif. Awamuk. Sifu.
Sifu
is lacking. Sifu is lacking this. When I told Sifu, I said Sifu lunch is at 12. Sifu arrive at 2 minutes past 12. How was it? Urachain.
Oh, Sifu no.
Una verbal diarrhea.
Umenzene man.
Ur lunch at 12 afika 2 minutes past 12.
So I'm busy riding
for lunch. Kambayare. And it was also nice. Yeah, it was also nice seeing sporting director.
Let me back.
Sadi neighbor. Yeah, it was also nice seeing sporting director Omin. Yeah.
Mama.
Our man. I'll level the highlights. Little lady Sama, go level the highlights.
It's sporting director Silly one comes on. Fleming back.
Oh, no more.
Junior.
Little lady Sama.
No, one junior, the one sport director, money junior.
One other thing, then. He was present.
But now I can tell you what not little me. No, I'm just saying. And Steve, okay, now here, okay, looking at the whole game, the changes, say Coach Bruce, they didn't really work for us.
Which ones?
Which ones? Wait a minute.
Sure.
The changes, say Edileng. He must go back to the drawing board and look at all his options.
Yes.
And then come back to the next game. Because the game was here. And then it dropped to here. And then it dropped to here. So that is not good. That is not consistency. Madala must go down. Atore drawing board recalculate. But one thing I can tell you, one fact I can tell you, South Africa will reach the quarterfinal of the FIFA World Cup. I'm telling you, it will happen. Mark my words. I don't care who says what. Mark my words. Yes. This won't even be a miracle. These are facts. Go and reanalyze everything. Mdala ki tactician. Be careful with the ball. Watch it. Steve. Otherwise, oh, the man. Bon, Steve. Na bologa understand. Understand. You will only realize when it's late to Rehamaradama Nabulet.
Yeah.
Or
Later on. Yeah.
Nake o re dlala leng?
Yeah.
Nake o re dlala le Germany.
Yeah, or France.
Yeah. Dlala Germany or France.
Yeah.
Mara France re nyaka go bo final oh. Yeah. But for now, relax, quarter final will be there. Watch the space.
Sung Yong Min.
Ska wa reka bo Song Yong Mang ke re fika quarter final.
Ke a tshwara.
Ona.
Ha ke dumelana le wena. Le thema le ne le sa ba ka le la Orlando lone. Wa za tlika solution.
When I have solution every day.
It's my opinion. Give on it's my opinion. I must say my opinion. Why is he negative?
Why is it negative?
Shy, man.
Oh yeah, sure. Yeah.